Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to set up the IC-EL-MOTE-T-Plus high accuracy ambient temperature cloud connected data logger. First, remove the mounting bracket. Then unscrew and remove the battery compartment lid. To connect the temperature probe, unscrew the port you wish to use. Remove the rubber filler. Insert the temperature probe and screw into place. Install the 4 AA batteries, observing their polarity. Do not refit the battery compartment cover and bracket until setup is complete. Then download the EasyLog Cloud app. If you have not yet set up an EasyLog Cloud account, go to easylogcloud.com to create one. Links for the app and the account setup are both in the description. Once the app is downloaded and you're signed into your account, select Setup Device. Then press Mote. There are 2 options for setup, NFC or Wi-Fi. You can only use NFC if you already have a saved profile. So we'll set up using Wi-Fi. Press the red Setup button on the device. It will beep, and the LED will turn orange. It's a little bit hard to see under the light. Then press Next. Wait while the phone attempts to connect to the unit. A second beep and a notification on the screen indicates connection was successful. Press Next. This screen is device configuration. Here you can give the device a name, select sample rate, and the synchronization schedule. This can be changed later on the app. Press Next. The device will list all of the available Wi-Fi networks. Select your network and enter the password. Press Next. Wait for the device to connect. The device will beep twice when the connection has been successful. You can choose to save device setup information or press Cancel. You can now press Exit Setup. Return to the main menu and select View Devices. Go to All. Here, the newly set up device will be listed. Press the star on the left for the device to be listed under Favorites. Press the device name for more information. Instantly, you can see the current temperature, as well as the time and date stamped minimum and maximum readings. Selecting Graph displays the collected information in a graph. As we've only just set up this logger, there isn't much to see. The next tab is Events. Here you can see any recorded events and alarms. And lastly, Device Settings, where you can adjust the device name, probes, sample rate, sync schedule, alarm settings, email alerts, and device location. Once successfully set up and you are receiving temperature information to your EasyLog Cloud account, the battery compartment door and mounting bracket can be reinstalled. The IC-EL-MOTE-T-Plus can be put in its place of application anywhere within the setup Wi-Fi network. If you have some more questions or want more information on this data logger, speak to an Instrument Choice scientist. Details are in the description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.